Okay, so today we're going to be trying out the Dyson and how it compares to the shop vac. We're actually not even going to use the shop vac because we all know how well those things pick up sawdust. But we've got an old Dyson. The motor's burning out on it. It's just about toast already. So normally I wouldn't do this to a new vacuum or one that's good, especially one that expensive. But since this one is one step away from an electrical fire or the garbage, we're going to see how well it actually picks up things like sawdust. There's a couple reasons why the Dysons aren't as good as a shop vac typically, and just based on how they develop their cyclone to suck up the dust and whatnot, those vents or jets can plug pretty quickly with larger particle things. But let's go ahead and try it out. Today we are going to be answering that age-old question: can a Dyson outperform a shop vac? Let's go ahead and try this out. There you have it. Well, that worked a whole lot better than I was expecting. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video.